A tragic road accident in Bengaluru has turned into a story of hope and humanity. Suresh Patnaik, a young man from Sanakoli village in Ganjam district of Orissa, was critically injured in the mishap. Despite treatment at two hospitals, doctors eventually declared him brain dead. In a moment of incredible courage, his family decided to donate his vital organs. Suresh's kidneys, liver, and heart were donated to patients in urgent need. One of his organs, the liver, was transplanted into a 10-year-old child, giving the boy a second chance at life. The organ donations have given hope to multiple families across the country. 3 days later, Suresh's body was brought back to his village in Sanakoli of Ganjam district. His final rites were performed amid deep sorrow and immense respect. Locals and well-wishers held him as a true hero. His family's decision has been widely praised as an act of rare generosity. Suresh may be gone, but he continues to live on through the lives that got saved by his organs.
बेंगलोर रे काम करतला नाइट शिफ्ट थिला ड्यूटी जाउतला 2 जण मिसी जाउतले से गाड़ी वाला आइला से मेन रोड साइड रे थिला मरे देगिरी गला किडनी लिवर हार्ट सातटा जीवन भणी बंचेची मो भाई जो सातटा लोकर जीवन बंचेला से गर्व कर
गाँ पे गौरव आउ परिवार पे मजे गौरव कहीं जेतु से एत गुड़े जिनस कर पांच पांचटा जीवन बंची पारा से गोटे लोक गला किंतु पांचटा जीवन से देकरी से जीव सरकार को जदि किसी फाइनेंशियल सहयोग हम इस बारे भल हम बोली आशा कर।